Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across error code U521 in Ticketmaster. When it reads that something went wrong, an unexpected error has occurred, please try again later. Error code U521. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing what's just doing would be just close out of your open browser session and then restart the browser and see if that resolves the problem. You may also need to try to select an alternative payment method. If you're trying to use a credit card, you may have to switch to PayPal or vice versa. There could be an issue with that particular medium that you're trying to pay for the service or tickets. So just keep that in mind. And then a couple other things we can look into here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in ipconfig, then a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS, it should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard, should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point or issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.